Well, all right, y'all, here we go. I got a little break in the rain here. I got the triple score out here at this beautiful little tot lot. I don't have any protection on my microphone, so I hope the... Okay, we got a 42 right there, starting off the hunt. Probably a penny, but let's see what we got. Yep, it is a penny, but when you walk on the tot lot and find a coin right off the bat, that's a good sign. I know no one beat me to this tot lot today. It's been raining like cats and dogs all morning. I'm probably the only one crazy enough to be out detecting today. Uh-oh, got something over here. It's a 51 to a 54. If I had to guess, I'd say a shallow quarter. Yep, there we go, baby. We got us our first 25 cents, a D quarter, Denver. I found a West Point quarter yesterday. I was really happy. Haven't found one of them in a while. Found it at work in a register. Yeah, I know, I'm out here detecting in the rain and I woke up with a sore throat, so this may not end well for you, boy. Hope I didn't cough in y'all's ear there. It just had to be done. Hey, that's an interesting one. Well, I think that's a ate up penny, but it seemed like I had another signal. Hey, there we go, baby. We got a quarter two. What was that, 52 cents already? And I just started. Make it 53, baby. That's what's good about these rainy days. People don't get out and detect in the morning and beat me to the tot lot. That's interesting. That's a 24. That'd be a good jewelry number. Well, it's not a jewelry number, but it's still pretty cool. If I can get my finger on it. There we go. It is a nickel. Now I just need a dime to hit the cycle. I just started on this tot lot, y'all. What's going on? Now watch all the goodies be in the front and it just be a tease. You ever do that? You ever go somewhere and start detecting and you find some goodies right off the bat and you're just like, oh, this is gonna be a great day. I thought I heard another beep in there. You think it's gonna be a great day and then you realize you found all the goodies right in the front. This is one of the, uh-oh. Ooh, it's a 32, but it bumps down to 5 and it's grunting at me. And well, is that it? What is that? Just a plastic, I mean, it's a piece of plastic with a screw in it. Is that really my signal? Well, I knew it was an oddball signal when I dug it. There's a 33 there, it's deep. But I'm pretty sure I've gone for it before, and it's under the top lot where I can't get to it. I got a real iffy signal right there. I mean, real iffy. Oh no. And that's why it was so iffy. It was like it's not even a bolt, it's like a brad or something. I don't know. Weird, bro. Let me adjust y'all a little bit. There we go. Man, I'm still not sold on this chest mount. It is definitely more secure than my last one. But for one, it's a pain in the butt to get on straight. And then it gets crooked as I'm detecting. So I don't know. Ooh, it's a solid 29. Come on, baby. Oh no, it's a piece of foil. I thought I might be able to open the jewelry box up, but not yet, huh? Okay, let's keep on keeping on, baby. Let's go on the front part of this right here before we... Nah. Now, anytime you're detecting a tot lot and there's a bench, that's always a good place to hunt in front of, because when you jump up and run to the tot lot, yeah, I thought that was going to be deep. We'll leave that alone. Junky numbers, too deep. That's not what we're looking for. We're looking for fresh drop coins and jewelry, baby. Huh. Sounds like there could be something there. I think I'm just picking up the rebar in the sidewalk. Wasn't that great of numbers anyway. Had it been better numbers, I might have went and fought for it. Come on, baby. There's got to be a ring under the slide, right? Oh, come on, baby. Huh. Come on, baby. Let me see something here. Oh, shut up, man. Shut up, man. Nah, I guess I'm just picking up on that pole. I didn't think it was the pole because I swung to the pole and it sounded a little different, but ooh, we got us a 26. That could be something lovely. It could be something lovely. What is it? Oh, it's another nickel. I'll take a nickel. It wasn't exactly what I was looking for, but yeah. I was hoping for some jewelry, but I will take the coins. I love coins. Uh-oh, hold on. I got a tire shred in my knee pad here. Get out of there. There we go. So, how's everybody doing today? I hope y'all are doing good. Hope y'all are having a great day. Hope y'all have better weather than what we've had today. Ooh, that sounds lovely. It sounds lovely. It'd be a perfect little silver pendant. Oh, no, it's just a penny. Just a penny. Pennies from Jenny. Jenny. I'm not a smart man, Jenny, but I know what a penny is. Now that's not a penny. That's at least the dime, probably the dime I need to. The dime I needed to complete the cycle. Woohoo! Huh. Is there really? Oh, here we go, y'all. We on the old coin spill. Yep, I see the penny already. The penny from Jenny. Jenny. Why do you keep putting all these pennies? Huh. Let's see. Ooh, 45, 46 over here. Is it just another penny? No, it's 2 pennies. 2 pennies are better than 1 penny, Jenny. Huh. Let's see. Okay. Another dime, baby. Huh. Another dime, Jenny. Is it dimes from Jenny now? What are we talking about? I don't even know. Huh. Hold on, let me stand up and get on that real quick. That sounds deeper than my average target, and it's a 35. I don't think I can get to that deep. Well, it sounds like I got it out the hole. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We got our first piece of jewelry. It's a little ship. See that? A little ship bead off of some, off of like a charm bracelet. Those charm bracelets are getting really popular. Now you see how my pinpointer was acting kind of stupid, and then I turned it on with it pointed on the ground, and then it just worked great. That's what you call ground balancing your pinpointer. I don't normally have to do that, but with these tire shreds being all wet, it really helped because my pinpointer was kind of struggling. I mean, when you're on a target, you're on target. Huh. Got a 17, 18, 19, 20. Where'd it go, baby? It did seem like it might have been kind of deep. Let's try with the detector again. I might need to use the shovel, get down a little closer to it. Let's see if that does something for me. Well, yeah, it did something for me. It made the target go away. Okay. Well, I got a feeling it's probably trash if it did that. Let me try swinging from a different direction. Yeah. Oh, I think I see it. I think it was this piece of foil covered cardboard. I flipped it over with the cardboard side up and the detector didn't want to pick it up anymore. Let's try this one more time a different way. Okay, I think it probably some more of that same stupid cardboard stuff. It's like some kind of snack stuff. You know how the snack's got the cardboard on one side and it's kind of like 52 right there. Everybody knows what a 52 is. That's a super shallow quarter. Oh. Or, I guess if we're not going to find no jewelry, we can at least find some cars. Ooh, look at that, baby. Hot Wheels. That's nice, baby. Check it out. Check it out. Boom, 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 boom. Check it out. Well, I'm glad I got out in this crazy weather today. I kind of thought I was crazy because when I left the house, it was pouring down rain. It's been pouring down rain since about 4:30 this morning. And I watched the news and it didn't look like there was any end in sight. But I live here, man. I know just because it's raining now, I know just because it's raining now, it might not be raining later. Normally we get some kind of break. Now see, this tot lot, it's got the big holes. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to stick my shovel through the hole. It's got these big holes. So this is a good place to detect under. Because, because coins and jewelry can fall through that hole. I did have a signal, but it didn't sound very good. Okay, so we got something over there. Let's move it up a little bit so you can see. Let's ground bounce the open. What is that? That's part of a plastic car. I'll set that down over here. It's not my signal. Huh. It sound. Let's see if I can. Okay. I think we're chasing nothing here. Sometimes when you got a crappy signal, it leaves like a halo effect in the ground. And once you break up the rusty particles that are connected, your signal just totally goes away. Now there's a pole under there. I'm not gonna mess with that. Uh-oh, I see something gold. No! It's the gold eraser. No! I thought I had something good. I saw a glimpse of gold in the hole and I was like, woo! Uh-oh. I gotta try to stay out from under that drip to some extent because I don't want to get my microphone wet. Hold on, y'all. I gotta adjust my camera again. There we go. Yeah, I may be in the market for a new chest mount. This one was, don't get me wrong, I really like it, but sometimes it's a pain in the butt. But that's everything, right? Probably while I'm single, I really liked her, but she was a pain in the butt. Yes, sir. Sorry, y'all, your boy Detector's a little crazy. I think y'all know that by now. Ooh, ooh, that would be a perfect silver ring sound. Nope, just a dimeroony. Not even a silver dimeroony. We'll throw it in the old pockeroony and grab the detector rooney and keep on keeping on. Y'all, I have no idea where I came up with that rooney stuff. I have a tendency to just throw like a little extra on the end of things for no reason, just to have a little fun with things, you know. Life's too short to stay in the box, man. Sometimes we just gotta have a little fun and do stuff that's outside the box. Hey, look at me. It's my day off. I work my butt off all week. And what am I doing to enjoy myself? I'm digging through the dirt and the rain at this tot lot, trying to have a little fun with y'all. Ew, I see something. Oh, that's kind of cool. That's the little trucks off of like one of those little plastic skateboards. I love finding the toys. Well, yeah. I gotta say, this little tot lot's a small tot lot, but it treated me pretty well today. It got me some coins, got a piece of jewelry, got a car. I mean, what else can I really ask for, man? I know one thing, on my next tot lot, I better grab my frog tog because it's starting to drizzle on me and my microphone is in danger. I'm in danger. Come on. Huh. You know what? Sounds like it should be right there. Oh, nah. I don't think that's about nothing. We're going to leave that alone. I did find a really cool, like one of those little metal transformer figurines. Like not the ones you're supposed to play with, the ones you're supposed to like display. And I did find like one of those, like a piece of jewelry there one day. Not literally right there, but up against that. Up against that. Uh-oh. Ooh, what could it be? It's a 4244. It's another penny. This one looks copper. No, it's 1992. Definitely not copper. Okay. Uh-oh. I'm gonna try to move my microphone under my chin a little bit here. Hopefully it doesn't get wet. Because it's starting to rain on me, y'all. Raindrops are falling on my head. That means I must be crazy in the head. I should be home in bed, but I'm out here detecting this tot lot looking for jewelry. You like my new single, man? It's going platinum. We're gonna have to hurry up on this last little bit of the tot lot because I'm telling you, it's starting to come down. I don't know if y'all can see it yet, but it is starting to rain. Come on, baby, where's my ring at? I wanted one ring, just one. I don't care if it's junk. Give me a ring. Give me the crusty, musty. Well, looks like that's all she wrote. Oh. Huh. Uh-oh, what is that? What is that? Oh, no. I saw something shiny. I seen like that, and I thought it was going to be the ring I was looking for. Just another pencil eraser. Adios míos. El Diablo. For those who don't know, that means devil. It's the devil. My mom said pencil erasers are the devil, and she don't want me to play foosball. Well, y'all. I'm about to say we had fun, and we tried. Oh, that's a piece of rubber. That was a piece of foil. No! I thought we were going to get through a day without, through a hunt without finding the dream squasher, but there she goes. No! Ay, ay, ay. With those dream squasher signals will make you stop in your tracks, boy. Sounds too much like a ring. I mean, it is a metal loop. It's actually 2 metal loops, but you get the idea. Metal loops amplify signals. That's why rings always sound so good. Got another penny. This one looks like, is it 99? Tonight we gonna detect like it's 1999. Oh. Well, y'all, I think we just about had all the fun we're gonna have at this tot lot. If somebody wants to come to take this grass, you're more than welcome, because I am not getting all muddy today. I have. Okay, well, we didn't get our bobby pin. Oh, it's not a bobby pin. That's a stretched out keychain, maybe? I got a ring! I got a ring! A key ring. Wah, 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 wah. Nah. Now, I didn't hear that signal before. It's just a piece of foil, but it was a solid 17, and with that metal ring sitting on top of the surface, I didn't hear it. So that just goes to show sometimes you got to dig that trash, especially the shallow trash, because there may be something good underneath. 17 would have been a perfect, like ladies' gold ring number. That would have been excellent. Excellent. Smithers, release the hounds. Excellent. Dope. Yeah. Who out there used to watch The Simpsons? Me and my son used to watch The Simpsons every time he'd come over, because he lived with his mom, but he stayed with me on the weekend. And Friday nights, I didn't have to call him out to the living room for family time. All I had to do was turn up the surround sound for The Simpsons, and he came running. And there used to be a 2-hour block where it was The Simpsons, Malcolm in the Middle, King of the Hill, and another Simpsons. And that was the best dang 2 hours of TV to watch with a I'm recovering some areas here just in case. Because this is where I had that coin spill, just making sure I didn't miss anything. Okay. Well, all right, y'all. I sure appreciate the hell out of y'all for hanging out with me while I go out here and metal detect. I was gonna do it anyway, but I'm glad I was able to take y'all along with me. Because maybe you can't go detecting today. But if you can't go detecting, remember you can always flip on the old YouTube and go with your boy. Just pack up your metal detector in your mind, and ain't no telling what the hell we're gonna find. All right, y'all. I'm gonna hit the truck. Plan my next park, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Happy hunting and stay dirty, my friends. Yes, sir.